Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you know when next I upload another video. And to my returning subscribers, I am really very grateful. Thank you very much for your support. I really appreciate. So on today's video, we are going to talk about Ewedu leaf, also known as jute leaf. English name is jute. Yoruba people call it Ewedu leaf. Ewedu leaf is very good for weight loss because it is very low in calorie. It helps to strengthen the immune system, fights off stress and heart diseases. Ewedu leaf is also a remedy for aches and pains, dysentery, arthritis, fever, dysentery, pectoral pains, and tumors. So this leaf, in fact, I don't know if I should call it a miracle leaf. It does a lot of things. But the main thing that we are going to concentrate on today is what Ewedu leaf does during pregnancy. Do you understand? So in Yoruba people, this leaf is mostly known in Yoruba. Yoruba people, they use this leaf to, when they are pregnant, they use it for easy labor. How do they do this leaf is what I am going to show you today in this video. And if you stick to this video, I am also going to tell you how to take this leaf and when to start taking it for easy labor. You're not going to have no more prolonged labor with this thing I'm going to show you. So it has been observed, especially among Yoruba speaking communities in Nigeria, that pregnant women who drink juice made from Ewedu leaf frequently experiences quick, smooth, and almost painless delivery, cure asthma, and also use in pregnancy. Pregnant women use it for easy delivery so that they will not have a prolonged labor. So now what we are going to do right now is that we are going to first of all begin to pick our jute leaf. I'm going to pick let me bring the ones we are going to use because we are not going to use all of them. So I'm just going to pick this. So after picking it, I am going to wash it. I'll wash it clean and I'll come back. So now I'm done washing it. I'm going to just cut this into bit by bit so that I can easily squeeze it into my blender. So after cutting it, I'm going to put it into my blender like this. Putting it into the blender, the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add water to it. I'm going to add drinking water to it. Then now that I've added my drinking water, the next thing I'm going to do is to blend it. So now that I'm done blending, what I'm going to do now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to transfer it into my plate. Wow. Oh, wow. Now I see why they said this, it can cure ulcer. They say that this leaf can also cure ulcer. So if you have ulcer, I think you should try it. I'm going to do ulcer treatment. I should add it to it. So now the next thing I'm going to tell you is how to take this. If you are pregnant, please don't take this from 6 months, or if your pregnancy is 3 months, 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. No, it is recommended to start taking this once your pregnancy crosses 9th month. As it enters 9th month, you are ready to take it. Yes, you are ready to take it. Yes, you can take it 3 times in a week. 3 times in a week, but make sure your pregnancy is already 9 months, because this can also make your baby to come prematurely if you take it before ninth month. It can make your baby to come prematurely. So this is what Yoruba people always use. You can check it on internet. Yoruba people, they always use this, especially for those that are under labor and they are having prolonged labor already. The right people, they just take it, squeeze the leaf and put the juice on their mouth. But you can just avoid those things by starting to take it early. As your pregnancy enters, sorry for that noise, as your pregnancy enters ninth month, you start taking it like 3 times in a week. It will save you a whole lot of stress. So that is what I have for you guys today. So if you are still watching and you find this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if possible, please share. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so that you know when next I upload another video. I want to tell you that I really love you guys. Thank you very much for your support. See you in my next video. Bye bye.